ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഡിന്നർ എന്നിവ.
Pizza baguette.
Pizza baguette?
Yeah.
Or baguette pizza. അപ്പം നീ സലാമിയും ഇതൊക്കെ എന്തിനാ വാങ്ങിച്ചത്? പെപ്പറോണിയൊക്കെ? പെപ്പറോണി സലാമിയൊക്കെ എന്തിനാ വാങ്ങിച്ചത്?
Yeah, I'm going to put that on as well.
ഇപ്പോഴാ?
Yeah.
മറന്നുപോയി. You forgot. Evelyn, you forgot. See, you are the one who is doing the recipe and you told me, Mommy, don't come into the kitchen.
Yeah, but you still did.
Why did you think about making dinner tonight?
Because I wanted to.
Inspired by?
My school.
Your school.
They have pizza baguettes in school.
Okay. അപ്പം അത് വന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചോ നീ? വേറെ ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടെന്നില്ലേ? വേറെ ഇത് വെക്കടി. ഞങ്ങൾ ഡിസൈൻ മാറ്റിയിട്ടാ ഇങ്ങനെ ഓവർലാപ്പ് ആക്കി വെച്ചു. അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിൽ സലാമി.
I think so.
ഇതുപോലത്തെ ബെഗറ്റ്സ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ വാങ്ങിച്ചത്. എന്ത് ചീസാമോ?
Mozzarella and cheese.
മൊസറല്ല ആൻഡ് ചീസ് മിക്സ്. ഇത് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പോണേ?
Gonna put it in the oven.
അവനില്ല 2 മിനിറ്റ് ഓണി. ഓക്കെ, വേഗാവട്ടെ. പോള് ഹംഗ്രി എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇന്നത്തേക്കാവോ?
I'm only gonna put 2 thingy, like 2 of each on each. Otherwise we won't have enough.
This will be enough.
Okay.
അപ്പോൾ അവൾക്കാണ് അത് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്. അവൾക്ക് അത്ര മതി എന്ന് പറയണേ. അപ്പം നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ വീട്ടിലുണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഇഷ്ടത്തിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് സാധനങ്ങൾ മാറ്റാം അല്ലേ?
Yeah.
You can put as much and as little as you want.
Yeah, and Paul and Daddy really like meat. Otherwise they probably won't have it.
Okay. Very good.
I'm doing it. I'm worried that the cheese in the bottom is not going to melt a lot.
It will. അവൻ നീ എത്ര ഡിഗ്രിയിലാണ് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്?
180.
180 ഡിഗ്രീസിലല്ലേ? 180 ഡിഗ്രീസിൽ തന്നെയല്ലേ ബ്രെഡും ബേക്ക് ചെയ്തത്?
Yeah.
Okay. So ready for the oven?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks yum.
So the cheese on the top is melted. And I think the cheese on the bottom is melted. I can see a little bit.
Mmm.
So,
Smells nice.
So this one's Paul's.
Mm-hmm.
And this one's mine. And his has more meat because he loves meat.
Oh, okay. അപ്പം നീ കുറച്ച് കൂടുതൽ സലാമി ആൻഡ് പെപ്പറോണി കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ?
Yeah.
അപ്പം ബെഗറ്റ് ഒരു 6 minutes ഒന്ന് ചൂടാക്കി വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ അവനെന്ന്.
Okay, so then I put the sauce.
അമ്മോ, ഈ വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർ വിചാരിക്കണ്ടാവേ അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് നിന്നെ കൊണ്ടത് ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കണേന്ന്. Why did you decide to make dinner tonight?
Because I couldn't make it tomorrow.
Because you couldn't make it tomorrow. But why did you decide to make dinner at all? This is the first time you have ever made dinner for us.
Exactly.
So what's the reason?
At school, we have pizza baguettes.
For school lunch?
Yeah, we have like loads of baguettes. We have like ham and cheese. There's these pizza ones.
Okay.
We have many donuts.
Okay.
So I want to make that next.
Donuts, huh?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Okay. അപ്പോൾ സ്കൂൾ ലഞ്ചിന് നീ കഴിക്കുന്നതാണ് സ്കൂളിൽ കഴിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഈ പിസ്സ ബാഗറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ തോന്നി, അതാണോ?
Yeah.
So from where did you get the recipe, by the way?
Search it up online.
Searched up online.
No, it's not that hard, you know. You get the pizza, you cut it open. No, the baguette, you cut it open. You put some cheese and stuff in, and then you like put it in the oven again.
Okay.
It's not that hard.
It's not that hard.
No. Why don't you do this every day instead of rice?
You want to eat this every day instead of rice?
Yeah, you should make like a variation on pizza every day.
Won't you get bored?
I would eat that though. No, but it's like the fact that you make rice every day. I get bored.
Seriously?
Yes.
You get bored of rice?
Such a funny thing. Yes, of course I get bored of rice because it's so plain.
Plain. I don't give you plain rice. I give you cooked rice with some nice curries.
What was today? Beans. What was a couple of days ago?
Yeah, I made just beans because you said that it is going to be a luxury dinner. So I thought, well, I will save my appetite for dinner.
Yeah, but I didn't make dinner a couple of days ago and you still made beans.
No, I didn't.
Like, today's beans weren't even as bad as the ones from a few days ago.
What was wrong with a few days ago beans?
Like, today's beans was like an actual, like, proper curry. The other day it was just actual beans. Like, you know, like when you open up the beans and then there's little beans inside the big bean.
Yeah, those are beans from our garden.
I know, but I don't like it. It's just so plain.
You don't like vegetables. Just admit it.
I like sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Yeah.
You don't like beans.
According at our school, we had a yellow quiz for Hello Yellow Day, and they think bananas are vegetables.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, raw bananas are because we put it in curries, don't we? Beef.
Yeah, but like it was like name a yellow fruit. Raw bananas aren't yellow, are they?
Bananas are vegetables.
No, they're not. They're fruit.
No. I am exclaiming. There is an exclamation mark at the end of my sentence.
Well, then say it with exclamation. Like, I like the shape more because it's much easier to, like, spread because there's less holes.
How many like did you say in that sentence?
And add to my likes, Amma.
You don't count your likes.
No.
Can't remember which year this is, but we had a teacher who says, Appo.
Yeah, and you're like, buying gara.
I do say a lot of Bayangara.
I know it's a problem. So you can comment on my likes and I'll comment on your buying garas.
I don't honestly can't remember who this person is, but I remember the incident. Like this teacher says appam, and then we sit there counting how many appams has.
You're that bored.
How many appams did we make in that lesson? It's like that. So I say Bayangaram for nice things, and I don't think
Everything.
everything. I don't think I say Bayangaram for bad things. But Daddy tells me.
No. You're like, it's buying gara rubbish.
No, I don't say Bayangara rubbish. I say Bayangara nalladana. Bayangara bangi undu. Adakku njan paraya.
No. You know the first one? I'm getting deja vu. It feels like I'm in every single one of your videos because you say that in every single one of your videos.
That's true. Yeah, I don't realize that when I see it, but when I edit it.
Yeah. Oh my god, our English teacher, right? So there was this boy, and he kept saying like wait. So
Wait.
he's like when you say like wait, what about this? He kept doing that. So our English teacher, whenever he said wait, just started waiting. He didn't do anything. He just waited.
Okay.
And then he's like, "Can I stop waiting now?" Okay. And then the boy kept doing it, like even though he knew he was doing it. He's like, he couldn't stop it.
How was the baguette?
Okay.
Just okay?
Yeah.
Evelyn says that it is better than the pizza rolls that you used to make.
No.
Cheese ones as well.
Cheese ones. You look very tired.
Can you tell by my face that I really liked it?
Eh?
Can you tell by my face that I really liked it?
Yes. Yes, we can. There is a smile, sneaky smile on your face.
My favourite's the ham one.
Yeah.
ഏബിളിന്റെ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് ഒക്കെ അവിടെ ഒരാള് സ്നീക്കലി കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ പോണ്ട സലാമിയും ചൊറീസും ഹാമൊക്കെ പോള് കഴിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ.
No, I didn't.
There is evidence, Paul. You are there with the
but I don't
packet.
This is the last 2 baguettes for Mummy and Daddy. And that's just enough.
ഇനിയും ചീസ് ബാക്കിയുണ്ടോ?
Yeah, there's still some leftover cheese, but that's okay. I'll have it like in a sandwich or something. I'll make a cheese toasty.
Make a cheese toasty?
Yeah.
Okay.
I still haven't eaten my baguette. I'm so sad. Because I want my baguette.
Okay. നിന്റെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് എല്ലാവരും കുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നവരെല്ലാവരും ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ്. ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും കൊടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് എല്ലാവരും കഴിക്കുക.
We tried the pizza baguette, and I was right. It is better than Paul's cheese balls. Ah! No! Give me my pizza baguette! Oh, he ruined my pizza baguette.
നീ നിന്റെ നേരത്തെ കഴിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ?
I hate Paul.
Can I just have a little bit?
No.
Paul, you had yours and then you took some from me. Okay? You have to admit that it is good. You have to move that water bottle off your face.
I was just tasting it for the video.
Very nice, Evelyn. Thank you so much. Okay? You're gonna do this again. Yeah? Everybody loved it. So everybody, please try the recipe. കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിക്കോളൂ. ഭയങ്കര ഈസി റെസിപ്പിയാണ്, ഭയങ്കര ടേസ്റ്റി റെസിപ്പിയാണ്. സമ്മൂന്റെ റെസിപ്പി എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. സ്മിത ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. ബൈ ബൈ.